In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view the list of blocked contacts on Telegram. This is really useful if you want to review who you've blocked over time, maybe unblock someone, or simply keep track of your privacy settings. Whether you accidentally blocked someone or you're doing a privacy audit, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to find your blocked users list. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Once the application loads, look for the hamburger menu icon, which has 3 horizontal lines. This is typically located in the top left corner of the application. Click on this menu icon to expand the main navigation menu. From the menu options that appear, click on Settings. This will take you to your Telegram settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your account. In the settings menu, look for the privacy and security option and click on it. This section controls all your privacy related settings, including who can see your phone number, last seen status, and blocked contacts. Once you're in the privacy and security section, scroll down until you find the option labeled blocked users. Click on it to view your complete list of blocked contacts. Here you'll see everyone you've blocked on Telegram. You can review the list, and if you want to unblock anyone, simply click on their name and select the unblock option. And that's it. You've successfully viewed your list of blocked contacts on Telegram desktop. It's that simple. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.